Oh my gosh, guys. I'm here in my new apartment. I am sweating balls right now. It's so hot, there's no air right now. I just did the empty apartment tour. Guys, I am so excited. I'm just beyond words. I'm so excited to be here, so grateful. The place is so cute and cozy. And guys, so much to come. I can't wait to share my, process in decorating and furnishing. It's gonna be awesome. It's gonna be lit, okay? I am stoked right now. Does anyone say stoked anymore? That's like so 2001. But anyway, gosh, beyond. So I hope you guys enjoy the empty apartment tour, and of course a lot more moving vlogs to come. And yes, guys, this is gonna be great. This is going to be great. I am so excited for this new chapter, this new adventure, this new journey, and you guys are coming along with me, so strap in and get ready. All right, I'll see you guys later. Ciao.
All right, so stepping right into the kitchen. I was at the entry, and here's my kitchen. There's me in the reflection. It's white cabinets, granite countertops, stainless steel appliances. I love it. So cute. It's got this huge sink with this cute faucet and some frosted glass cabinets. Really plenty of cabinet space. A very cute little backsplash there. Gas range as well. It's a small kitchen, but it's plenty of space for little old me. Lots of cabinet space. I love it. We've got a fridge here with the ice maker on the outside. And yeah, a small fridge, but plenty of space for me. It's so cute. I'm the first one to live in these particular units, so that's exciting. Struggled with the freezer there, but there's the little freezer. Plenty of space. Love it. And then we'll swing around. There's the front door and then like a utility closet there on the right. And then here is the washer and dryer stacked in unit. Love that. Very convenient. Next to that is the pantry and a little nook area. I'll give you a better view in a second. But here's the pantry. Plenty of space for my food and extra things. We'll figure it all out. And here's the reading nook or desk nook. So there's a wine rack and then a storage cabinet above. And I'll just swing back around to the kitchen to give you a full view. Love the pendant lights there at the top. Plenty of space. I'm gonna put some bar stools there. Moving over to the living room area. Very cozy, and then there's a nice balcony there. Yeah, it's gonna be fun to figure out how to organize, the living room. But there's a little view of the balcony. But yeah, very cute. Hardwood floors throughout. Ceiling fans. Oh my gosh, I love that because it's hot here. It's good to have some ceiling fans. Turning her over to this little hallway area that goes into the bathroom over there and then my room. Oh my gosh. Another ceiling fan in the bedroom. Perfect. With a very big window. I'm going to put the bed over on that wall. Very exciting. Can you see? It's just showing you the room to scale and dancing in my room. Then off to the bathroom and the closet. So through this door is the bathroom. Now the bathroom is pretty spacious. It's very large to me. Um, on the left side, you'll see the vanity and some cabinets there, which has plenty of space for my hair products and skincare products. And then a garden style tub over here with a little inlet for your shampoo and conditioner. Super cute, love it. Then there's the toilet and the vanity, a very large mirror there with some lights overhead. Love it. Just me. This is how I'm going to be in the mirror every day, posing. Oh, yes. Another view of the bathroom. And I'm just showing you here how it connects to the living area, directly to the bathroom. There's these double doors that enter the walk-in closet, and I was dramatically trying to open them, but that was not very effective. But the walk-in closet is so spacious. I don't even think I have enough clothes to fill this thing, but I am up for the challenge. um, so yes, I was looking for the light switch. There it is. Yeah, there's plenty of space in the closet, and I love the shelving. It's just awesome. It's perfect. And that's it. That's really all there is to my little apartment, my first apartment. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video.